Amen. Today's testimony is two parts because the first part has a lot to do with the second part. So I love Padre Pio, just love, 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 love. And I found a website that has a whole, I don't know how many hundreds and thousands of testimonies. I just love reading them, and I often find a chuckle and a smile when I read them too. So there was a story where a spiritual daughter of Padre Pio was going to have a time of counseling with Padre Pio. So it's like a spiritual direction. So she had an appointment and she was on the way. However, it was snowing very, very, very heavily, and she was walking and she couldn't get there in time. The snow was knee deep and she trudged through. I've never walked through snow, but I can imagine it's not easy. Um, so she walked, and she realized she was going to be so late for that meeting. So she suddenly remembered that Padre Pio had said, "Speak to your guardian angel often." Your guardian angel is there to help you. And Padre Pio has a great love for his guardian angel. So this lady thought that she would tell her guardian angel to go and tell Padre Pio's guardian angel that she was going to be late. So that's what she did. She told the guardian angel. So she continued to walk as fast as she could, but it's not that fast. By the time she reached the monastery where Padre Pio was, she saw from far Padre Pio with his head out his little window, watching her walk towards the monastery. And he called out to her, "I got your message." And of course, the message was that she will be late, and it's because of the guardian angel who sent the message. So I was very edified by that story, and I remembered it very well. So one night, this is part 2 of the story. So one night, I was sleeping, but I had a very terrible coughing fit, not the recent one, but I was coughing so like I felt as if my whole throat was going to come out. So I just coughed and coughed and coughed, and Dan was not in the room. I didn't know where he was, and I know that if he was even in the kitchen with 3 doors closed, you can't hear anything. So I couldn't get up. I was feeling sick, and with this coughing fit, I thought I was going to choke. So I suddenly remembered this guardian angel story, and I said to my guardian angel, "Please send Dan over to help me." Literally in a few seconds, Dan opened the door. Not because he heard my voice. He just opened the door and came to check on me. And I was still coughing. So he said, "Can I do something for you?" So anyway, it got sorted. I had some warm water and some cough syrup. I was so thankful to my guardian angel. I still am. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, guardian angel. And that's funny, isn't it? That Dan did not hear his guardian angel. And I mean, we all don't hear our guardian angel, but they are there. Our guardian angels are always there to help us get to church, walk, to take our offertory at Mass up to the altar. You know, that moment at Mass where the priest receives the offertory gifts, and as it is being offered, that is the moment that all our guardian angels are taking our gifts, whatever we have offered, whether it's a gift of time or our love or our gift of our talents, whatever it is, our guardian angel will take that and happily walk down the aisle to the altar to offer it to God. But there are those guardian angels who still walk up the altar but with their heads down because they have nothing to bring and they are sad. Now, how do I know this? I read a book by a mystic called Katia Rivas, and one day it was revealed to her what happens at Holy Mass. But that's another story. So if you're interested in that little book, which is free, write it down, say something in the comments, and I might put it in the description or post it on our Telegram or Facebook. Anyway, whatever channel you want me to post it up, type it there in the comments. Or if you want a private message or email sent to you, contact us through this website. Up on the top right hand corner, there's a contact us form. So contact me. Fill that out with your email address and I will contact you. So anyway, do we have time?
For the joke?
For the joke. Yes. Do we have time for a joke?
What was the joke again?
Okay, here. I invite Emmanuel up to tell us a joke.
Okay.
So,
who was the smartest guy in the whole Bible?
Who?
Abraham.
Abraham. Why?
He knew a lot. Get it? Lot.
Lot is his nephew.
Lot. Get it? Lot.
Abraham, he knew lot. Lot. God bless you all. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye.
Stay safe.